What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video to Now, today's video, I have the model.
Simone.
She is here going to join us with this video. It's going to be a very quick BTS video, guys. I really don't have an idea. I'm just going to show you just how I work, just like the previous BTS videos that I've always do. Right now, we are in Louisville, Kentucky. It is no sunlight, so it's actually completely cloudy, which is nice, but the humidity, it is hot as hell. Do you agree?
Very true.
It is hot. We are struggling. It is hot. There's absolutely no sun. So we came underneath this over this underpass. Really, as you can see right behind us, it's a little bit cooler here. Just in general, it's a little bit cooler. So we're going to shoot down here. It's a little bit darker, so I might have to crank up my eyes. So I'm going to be using the Z7, but these shoots, of course, with the 105 and the 45, of course, I'm not going to be doing any Sony shooting. So Simone, are you ready to get this going?
I am ready.
All right, let's go. And of course, if you want to work with all the stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. It would have popped on the screen as well. So let's get right into it. All right, I'm loving it.
Can you see that light even though it's so bright out here? Like it still makes a difference?
Yeah, you want to see it? Just to kind of help you out here. This is you with no light.
Okay. Ooh, awesome.
Can you see the difference? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Look at me. Look at you. Just nice. Having a lovely day out here in the neighborhood. You can tell you definitely got your volleyball poses put down. Those are straight volleyball team poses. Those are volleyball team poses you're giving me. I already know what's going on there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn you forward, and we're going to cross your legs like this.
Like?
Not towards me.
I like my knee forward. I'm like,
come on back up here. Come on back up here. Come on back up here. Right there. Bingo.
okay.
See how you like this, right?
Yeah.
Just take it. Do that.
No.
You put so much concentration in that turner. Yeah. Yeah.
We're good now? I'm holding it.
You are holding it.
Really funny.
Yeah, give me a second. Ooh, that light is looking good. Stan be out here killing them with this lighting. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Gotta do it again. 1, 2, 3. Tilt your head just a tad. Yeah. Just like that. Look at it. You got the hell tilt on point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Coming closer. 1, 2, and 3. Got the head tilt on point.
Good? Okay, that's the only thing I got on point, then I'll take it.
Yep. Good job. Loosen yourself up. Put you on this wall axe. Let's just kind of use this because it's really colorful, right? So let's just kind of have you lean on this wall kind of right here. And what I am going to do, I'm probably going to hit you from this angle right here. Yeah, so I can kind of get more of the angle. Yeah, let's do that. I'm really scared I'm going to step on the baby bird.
I don't think it would matter.
Check out my leg. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Give me feedback of what you're not liking, and then we can collaborate together and get better photos. So don't be shy to be like, hey, I don't fuck with that angle. And I'd be like, all right, well, we're not gonna do that angle no more then. Yeah. Then I'm gonna be like, all right, well, we're not gonna do the damn angle no more. That's, you know. Yeah. So that's how we gotta do it. But I ain't gonna know these things unless you vocalize them to me. Because every different women got their angles they like and then they don't like. It says I shoot with a lot. Yep. Get you down, yeah, like that. Beautiful. Nice. Nice, kind of walk forward towards me. Take a couple steps, yeah. Gluteus maximum. Don't hit the wall, we're fine, okay? All right. I like that, just pose just like that, yep. Like I'm just minding my business. Now take, hang on. Turn your head, look at me. Yeah. Now just kind of tilt it just a tad bit, your head. So you see how you're looking at me? Bingo, that's it. And you got them head taking locks on. You it look like your neck's a little too stiff, so you don't give it a lot. Because when I tell girls do it, they do this. Like, no, I just need a tad bit, not a lot, not a lot there. I just need a tad bit. Yep. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Here we go. Yep. Yep, we're ready. Yep, go ahead. Yep. Yeah, I try to get as many before the bus moves.
Okay. Whatever happened?
Cause I like the bus. I was trying to get as many before the bus moved. I thought it kind of added a little bit of element behind there. But now. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Simone and I just put in for you. Now, Simone, how did you enjoy that little work we just got finished doing?
It was very fun. It was educational for me because I don't do this often. So I learned a lot. It was very hot, but other than that, I had a great time.
She had a great time. And guys, I'm gonna put y'all in a little secret here. Don't even hit her up in the DMs. She's not gonna hit you back. All right, she doesn't do social media at all.
I have an Instagram, but I don't know how to TikTok. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to TikTok. So don't.
She don't know how to TikTok, and she's a youngin', guys. She don't know how to TikTok, and she's a young. Somebody hit her up and teach her, please. But other than that, if you want to work with all the stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. It would have popped on the screen by now. Like I said, this video is just a real quick video. I hope you enjoyed the dialogue between just me and her just interacting. Like I said, it really wasn't just teaching, just a typical BTS. Okay, well, until the next video. Peace. Yeah, see, you're about 6 feet. Yeah. Now I'm still about 6'3". And then you say, hey.
Say hi. Yeah, there you go.
Nah, Stan don't do 2 takes. Stan do 1 take intros, 1 take outros, and we are done. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that video that me and some...